Real happiness comes from sharing what we have with the people. But we do not like to share chocolates, isn't it? When we share something or divides it, there is a lots of mathematics behind it. So, let's start learning. After watching this video, you all will be able to understand the parts of a whole. So, suppose there were three siblings. One day, their cousin came to their place. All the while coming to their place, he purchased 5 chocolates and ate 4 chocolates out of it. After he reached there, all of them have a big chocolate which they will have to divide among themselves equally. And please, no cheating. So, do you know how will they do it? Right, they all have divided one whole chocolate into 4 equal parts, like this, so that each one of them will get one part out of 4 parts of the chocolate. Means each one had 1/4 part of the chocolate. Here, the number in this form are known as fractions. Now, what do we mean by fraction? Let's get the answer. A fraction simply tells us how many parts of a whole we have. The number in the form of a by b are called fractions. Isn't it seems interesting? Let's learn more. A fraction has two parts. One top part and one bottom part. The top part is known as numerator and the bottom part is known as denominator. Denominator is the total number of equal parts in which the whole is divided into. And numerator is the number of equal parts which have been taken out or which have been left out. Let's move forward. Here a by b is a fraction where b cannot be 0. Confusing? Why b can't be 0? It is because the result of a division by 0 is undefined. Means if it is 0, then fraction will not be defined as we cannot divide anything by 0. Let me explain more. Here b denotes denominator and denominator is the total number of equal parts in which the whole is divided into. Correct? And always remember, we cannot divide anything into 0 parts. So, we cannot give 0 parts to anyone. Hence, denominator of a fraction can never be 0. Got it? Now, let's revise. Can you tell me how much chocolates they all had? Do not say that they had one big chocolate divided into 4 equal parts and ate one part of it. Just say they ate 1/4 part of the chocolate, because now you understood what fractions are. Next, tell me how much part of the chocolate did 3 siblings had? They had 3 parts out of 4 parts of the chocolate. Means they all had 3/4 parts of the chocolate. Now, let's learn how to read the fraction. Repeat after me. 3/5 is read as 3/5. 7/8 is read as 7/8. 2/3 is read as 2/3. And 3/6 is read as 3/6. Next is tell the fraction for the colored part of each of the figure. Now last one is, do the given fractions representing the correct shaded part of it? In second one, the shaded part represents the fraction but not in first one. Do you know why? It is because it is not divided into 4 equal parts, and hence the shaded parts are not representing the given fraction. I hope you all get the topic parts and wholes. In the next video, we will learn about types of fraction. Stay home, stay safe and keep learning. Thank you.